What are the benefits of Softaculous for your website? A website is as powerful as its functionality, and functionality is built from features of different apps. Installing apps on a hosting server can be a tedious task unless you are using Softaculous installer. But how useful is Softaculous, and does it really help in boosting a website's functionality? What is Softaculous? Softaculous is a free auto app installer application that comes pre-built with the popular cPanel. It takes away the intricacies of installing an app with its one-click app installation technique. It helps to make your website more useful and powerful by adding more functionality and utility. How does it work? Softaculous makes it extremely easy to install an app that your website requires. You can either search for the app in the search box or right-click on a category in the list of apps. Here are some benefits of Softaculous for your website that make it a useful tool. It enables one-click installations. Installing an app can be very time-consuming that takes you through a lengthy installation process. Softaculous eliminates all the hard parts by allowing you to install useful apps with one click. It supports a large number of apps. There's nothing worse than missing out on a functionality because you cannot find or install an app. Softaculous supports more than 400 apps that include content management systems and other useful apps. Reseller Club's reseller hosting bundles Softaculous along with free WHM and cPanel for more control. Get a performance-optimized platform coupled with robust security, seamless upgrades and 24/7 support.